Hey guys, if you're looking to invest in gold or cryptocurrencies or alternative assets at all, now is the perfect time. If we go through here and look at some of the people that are investing in gold, you've got basically some of the richest people in the world. World's richest man, Carlos Slim. Okay. And what we're going to do, if you do want to invest in gold and cryptocurrencies, the #1 rated alternative assets company in the world is Regal Assets. They have been rated #1 alternative assets company 10 years in a row. Okay? We're going to go through top 10 reasons to invest with Regal Assets. And I'll also go through some of these reasons as why you should. I'll quickly go through these because you can look at them for your own time. The main thing I want to cover in this video is why you should. So, the top 10 reasons to invest with Regal Assets. They are, as I've said, the highest rated company in the industry for 10 years in a row. Now, just have to tell you guys, I am an affiliate partner with this company, and at the end of this video, I'll tell you a little story that is I think a testimonial in itself as to what sort of company this company is and why I believe they are the top rated. Okay, so 2. Hundreds of millions in retirement account transfers they have. Official member of the Forbes Financial Council. They are rated 20 in the United States for financial services by Inc. magazine. 1,000 plus verified client testimonials on TrustLink. So if you want to have a look at this company and what people think of them, over 1,000 people have left testimonials on TrustLink. A+ rating with the BBBA and AAA rating with BCA and 0 complaints. 0 complaints. They offer segregated storage so retirement accounts are separate and not commingled. They offer retirement accounts the option to be stored overseas without taxes or penalties. They can buy back metals any business day of the week and have funds available within 24 hours of sale. They have an experienced staff ready to answer all your questions and to provide clarity so you know everything you need to know about investing with Regal Assets. The power bullion in one chart. Do you know any other investment vehicle that possesses all of these advantages? Gold is money. Gold is a tangible asset. Gold can be private and confidential. Gold has no counterparty risk. Gold is liquid and portable. Gold requires no specialized knowledge. Easy to store. Low carrying costs. Gold can protect against government intrusion. Gold protects against crisis. Gold hedges the stock market. Is your portfolio diversified and protected? Top 5 US banks now larger than before the crisis. You learned about the 5 largest banks in the USA and the systemic importance as the unfolded financials threatened to collapse them. The FDIC admits it lacks reserves to cover another banking crisis, guys. US interest rates are already at abnormal low. So the Fed has little room to cut rates. Markets are far more volatile now in the wake of Brexit and Trump's election. American banks are not the safest place for your money. These are just the realities. I am actually you know, keeping as much as possible, keeping up with what's going on in America, and I would say that now is probably the optimum time to invest in gold. I don't say that in a negative way. I think that's just the realities. Things are pretty much up in the air as far as the Federal Reserve. I think changes are coming from the Federal Reserve. I think I will say that I think, you know, I don't want to get political in this video. Current threats for banks and governments are stocking up on gold. World Official Bank Holdings. So I'll skim through this quickly, and you can have a look at it in your own time during the crisis. So in a crisis, guys, price of gold goes up. Okay, and the stock market declines. You can see that with the financial crisis 2008 there. Now, what I want to tell you about this company, and this will give you physical gold versus paper gold. Why I don't need physical gold. And there's the ins and outs of that. Now, about Regal assets. When I applied, I mean, this is a big top-rated company, guys, and I just recently started with affiliate marketing, okay? Now, this company gets thousands of applications from people that want to promote their companies every day, and they're very particular. I thought, now, I've only been doing affiliate marketing for, say, 3 or 4 months, and when I applied, I thought, why not? I just told the truth. I told the truth. I said, when I applied to be affiliate marketer for this company, I said, look, I've just started, more or less, but I'd love to promote your product. You know, you seem a very honourable and, how would you put it, you know, obviously successful and top-rated company. And well, can you get a better product than gold, you know? So, to my utter amazement, they actually accepted my application, and I think that tells you what sort of company they are. I've actually been told that it's quite difficult to be not everyone gets accepted when they apply to be an affiliate marketer, and I think that's the fact they accepted mine, and I'm pretty much a beginner at affiliate marketing. I think that tells you something about the company, about their ethics. They're trying to help people, and trying to help, you know, not just the people that already, you know, are wealthy or are very successful. They're trying to help everyone, and especially the, you know, everyone, you know, the little people as well, or not the little people, you know, the beginners, the starters, etc. Okay. The benefits of precious metals IRA, I'll just quickly go through those. Growth potential, insurance control, tax advantages, guys. Should I transfer or roll over my existing retirement plan? So I'll leave a link below, guys, if you want to go and have a look. They do have a free, what do you call it, free gold investment starter kit. Absolutely free. I'll leave links to that in the description. Transfer, rollover, precious metal retirement. Which coins and bars are IRA approved? There they are. Will go there. You can read through those. Palladium's doing very good at the moment too. So I'll let you breakdown of fees. All those fees are waived. First year due. So basically no fees for the first year, guys, for those IRA. Subsequent year, $75 a year. Well, I mean, $75 a year is extremely good. How do I get started? It's easy. 1, 2, 3. Just for each step, visit the link. I'll put the link below, guys, and then you can go from there. They've got the packages, merchant packages. There's the cost of the packages, knighthood package, investment, and retirement packages. There they are all there. You can have a look through those in your own time. Gold allocation strategies. So these what these guys do. All of these, Tony Robbins, Ray Dalio. These are highly successful, highly highly successful business people, and they all have at least some investments, gold investments. And there's indication of top bars, gold bars, silver bars. Some of them go through there. So storage, a bulletproof storage strategy. So they've got probably one of the best storage strategies around. And storage costs versus EFT management fees. Let you have a look through those. Regal Assets. So the company, once again, Regal Assets. Handled hundreds of millions in alternative assets purchase. 5 out of 5 customer service review because has earned a preferred membership status with the Better Business Bureau and TrustLink. Regal Assets was ranked 20 in the world for financial services, landing Regal Assets on the 500 list. Member of the Forbes official. And there's some frequently asked questions and that Q&As there that you can go through. That if you go through this slowly in your own time, you will have most things you need. But like I say, I will leave links to Regal Assets. I will leave links to their free kits. So you can know everything you need to know before you invest. And thank you for your time.